खुद की ही सुनता बातें ये नादानी से है नाते ये हुर्राता आते जाते ये दिल को कहता ये रातें ये वो देखे हैं आंखों में किस्मत की आंखें डाले हैं हवा के कानों में जाके कहे किस्मत कितनी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है आई 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 मनमानी के ओए 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 शहर जाके ओए 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 शैतानी लाता है सर पे ये बांध के छेड़खानी को ओए 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 ये समझा के ओए 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 नजरों पे चुपके से लाता है तान के रहता सबसे टकराते ये अपनी ही धुन में गाते ये ओ देखे हैं आंखों में किस्मत की आंखें डाले हैं हवा के कानों में जाके कहे किस्मत पिटती है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है आई आई
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से
Hello all, this is Smita here and I'm going to share about my wonderful journey in CGS because I'm going to complete 16 years on 20th April. For this, major credit goes to Hiten Bhai, Bhavesh Bhai and our wonderful team members because they have been a great support system and motivations to me throughout this journey. Thank you so much for that. I have started my journey as a SEO execution. Then I have learned lots of things from Anju and Indu because they have given me training for that. But then they saw the potential of marketing in me. And then I started calling. And the major achievement was my first sign up in Africa, that was Tropical Trails. And that was our Africa's first client also in our company. So that was my first step towards marketing field. Then I started slowly taking different projects, because Hiten has given me opportunity to work on different projects, which was earlier I was hesitant to take because it was difficult to take it. But then because he trusted me more than what I trusted myself, I took up the opportunity as a leadership, and I started producing results in different span of projects. So thank you so much, Hiten bhai, for that wonderful trust on me. And then also Hiten bhai one time told me and Indu to have international trip, and then that was our different way of working. We went Singapore, Bhutan, Tanzania and Kenya. In Tanzania and Kenya we met 37 companies, and Singapore and Bhutan more than 40 companies we met. So that was another milestone for my life. So at that time and throughout this CGS journey, I have learned many life lessons like integrity, commitment. These are very valuable things to me for my self growth and for my entire life. So just because of this journey, I have learned lots of things in CGS Infotech. And all this because possible just because of you guys, because you have given me all kind of support, all kind of training, whatever it requires, and basically space to grow. Because generally people don't get space to grow, but in our company, whenever anyone wants to grow, we have the space to grow. So thank you so much for wonderful space of growth, because of trust you guys have given me. And I promise you that I will keep produce the desired results in coming years. And as I'm lifetime members of CGS Infotech, I will definitely produce the best results, whatever I can do. And thank you so much, Hiten bhai, Bhavesh bhai, and all my wonderful team members for being great mentor, for being a great coach to me. And basically, you people are my family members because.
Hello everyone, good evening all, good morning Hiten sir. I am very happy myself completing 5 years in our CGS family. I don't know how those days went, but now I am standing with a lot of knowledge provided by CGS team and Hiten sir. First of all, thanks to Hiten sir has given me the opportunity for the job. Also given me the opportunity for the web design training, and thanks to all given me lots of supports and training for my work, and very thanks to my design team for any time supporting and understanding of me in my difficult days, and especially thanks to my department leader Namrata and Shravani for guiding me. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, this is Namrata. Today I have completed successful 15 years in CGS. During these 15 years, I have learned a lot from my success and failures. It is just only a milestone that still need a completion. As I continue on my journey, I want to take a moment to thank Hiten bhai and Bhavesh bhai, who always believes in my abilities, as well as my team members and colleagues for all their support. Most importantly, I would like to thank my family members who tolerated my workaholic lifestyle. Without all of you, I wouldn't have reached my CGS 15th birthday. So thank you everyone. There is a still long way to go. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी, नाम लूं मैं किसका। नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए। तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sunita. Happy birthday to you. औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता, औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता। मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता। जिन्हें कहा उसे क्या है फूलों की जरूरत, जो बाहर खुद कहलाए, हर गली का दिल धड़काए। तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to, happy birthday to